Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Battlefield 6 security violation error, SecureBoot is not enabled error on PC. So let's jump to the steps to fix this error. Now before following the steps to fix the error, please take an important note. If you do not know how to make changes or update BIOS settings on PC, then it is better to contact your PC or laptop manufacturer support team to get help from them. It is because if you do any incorrect changes in BIOS settings, then your PC or laptop may not boot or you may encounter other issues. You can even check EA and Microsoft website for detailed step-by-step guide on SecureBoot. So this is a EA website link and this is a Microsoft website link. So this is the EA website on which the details step-by-step guide is mentioned on SecureBoot. So you can check all these details from here, or you can also go to the Microsoft website. Here also it is mentioned how to enable SecureBoot on my PC. The links are given in video description. So now let's follow the steps to fix this Battlefield 6 security violation, security boot is not enabled error. To do this, first of all, shut down your PC. Click the shutdown option, and once your PC is shut down, press the power button, and as your PC restarts, press the F2 button to enter the BIOS setting. In my case, it is Lenovo IdeaPad. Different brands have different shortcut keys to enter BIOS setting. In my case, I have to press F2. Now once your PC is in BIOS settings, navigate to security tab by using arrow key. Now use down arrow key. Here you can see SecureBoot option. Hit enter. Now here you can see enabled and disabled option. In my case it is already enabled, but if in your case it is not enabled, then select the enabled option and hit enter. Now use the arrow key to go to the exit tab. Select the exit saving changes option, or you can also press F10 save and exit option. Press F10. Now here you will see the setup confirmations, save confirmation changes and exit now. So select yes and hit enter. This will restart your PC. And once your PC restart, you can launch the Battlefield 6, and I hope security violation error, SecureBoot is not enabled error would be gone now. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.